I'm recording.
Oh man, if this ends up on YouTube,
Well, I don't know if
Come on.
you should send this to
You know what else would be great?
This would make a lot of money.
You should do a Twitter of this. Of what he's doing. What he's doing.
You should send this to that beach.
You need a big lunch for it.
Hey bartender, get my son a beer.
Whoa.
What if he sees that line and then
I don't know, but he really likes it.
give him the tip? Just let him put it in his mouth.
No.
Okay.
I didn't say it. I didn't say no, Fernando. It's gonna make the best. Hey, Rowan.
The drool is
Rowan.
hanging off his chin onto the
Rowan,
bottom.
hi.
Give me a towel. the drool coming off onto the bottles.
He's salivating over it.
Oh! Jeez. Knock him up.
See if I hold out here, he tries to reach for it.
Alright. 6.
Oh,
This takes a long video. It's still
yeah, this is a
going.
long video.
All right, Rowan. Say goodbye. Rowan. There we go.